Hello, good day. This would serve as an orientation for our course on ICT 273 or Information Technology Management. The main concern of the course is actually to identify key results or important results that the managers must be addressed into to be able to manage the IT support of the organization. So for this orientation, I'll just give you a few topics related to the concern or functions of a manager within the organization. So let's proceed to the key objectives of the course. So the objective of the course is to answer the question, what must managers do to advance the effective use of IT within their organization? So there are various factors to consider or perspective that the managers must be able to look at, to be able or examine, to be able to implement effectively the use of IT within the organization. That means it can cover most probably achieve its objectives such as efficiency or cost associated with the operation of the organization. So for this course, our perspective is on the manager's side, meaning you are at the supervisory level of the organization to be able to influence how you manage information technology resources within your organization. But we will discuss some items and details, but for this short orientation, I'll just give you a perspective on information technology related work within the organization. So let me start with the coverage or looking at the scope of information technology in the organization. So let's have what is information technology from the perspective of this course. Information technology includes all tools that capture, store, process, exchange, and use information. So it's clear that we are covering here and encompassing resources within the organization, and it might include not only related to ICT, but also other connected components or elements associated with our perspective on information technology. So for instance, if we will look at the word capture here, that means it might include people in the organization associated with the use of computer to be able to capture what we want. It can also include, in some perspective, it can also include some forms. It can be a hard copy or it can be a soft copy web or a certain application that can be used by clients or our customer. But that would pertains to inclusion in our discussion. The second aspect there is store information. That means we are concerned here of the storage and how we will store both although we are focused on the ICT storage, but we are also looking at the capacity of the organization in terms of years and how to manage storage. For example, are we focused on the cloud base or local storage or data storage, considering the cost as well as the support within the organization. Another aspect is the process, wherein when we look at the process of the organization, we are talking about the intricacies between the existing process where it can be manual and those who are supported by ICT. In addition, we are also looking at the people involved in the process, no? Considering the various political or practices of the organization where this is how they used to be doing these things, and now you are introducing a new process because of the use of ICT. So we'll be looking at the people perspective here, meaning the human aspect of implementing ICT or information system within the organization. Next is exchange, meaning how the different organizations are actually using data or exchanging information from one office to another. And lastly is use information, meaning how they utilize information. if you look at theoretically, it's easy to assess certain organization in using IT. We assume that many of the departments or divisions are actually sharing information, but when we look at specifically into what they are doing, we've realized that we have a lot to improve considering our knowledge on how to efficiently use or effectively use IT within the organization. On your right side facing the screen, you will look at a triangular shape, looking at how the manager's perspective on ICT implementation or ICT structure of the organization. So if we look at the bottom side, the lower part of the triangle, we have IT support organization. There are aspects or these are sections or divisions where we need to support the overall function of the organization through the use of ICT. So in that IT support, as part of our function in the organization, we will look at IT infrastructure where looking at the higher level to after that IT support in the organization as our foundation function is the IT support, which include hardware, software, networks, and databases. So if you look at this one, we are pertaining to IT infrastructure as these four components, and this might include the function of at the coverage of the function of a manager or someone who is managing the organization, the IT resources of the organization. So we considering that IT infrastructure, we are looking now at the various function of IT managers, such as the really functional areas of the organization, which we will be discussed further in next and succeeding section. Next are the network function, which include the interconnectedness of various organizations. When we look at the IT infrastructure side, we're looking at the network side here. And the enterprise are looking at the overall support or the overall various information systems or ICT support in the organization. With that, we will look at the upper side, which is the information systems, which are IT, people, and procedures. So if we look at this diagram from the upper side, also we're looking at the implementation side. If we will realize, if we will closely examine, looking at the IT people and procedures are the basic functions or operation within the organization, while we can define these functions into the certain functions of the organization, network, and enterprise. We will discuss in the next slide. And we have the IT infrastructure which supports these functions, or because it concerns with these functions, the hardware, software, network, and databases, which is our overall IT support function within the organization.